Morning guys, 5:51 AM. Today we're heading down to Malvern to go and coat a three-wheeler, Super 3 I think they call it, with Diamond Protech. Let's go.
A few moments later.
So we've arrived at Malvern. We're going to head up to the PDI bay in a second and get some Diamond Protech applied to the Super 3.
The guys at Malvern were interested in seeing diamond wheels installed on the inside of one of the Super 3's front wheels. This way, they could see the differences between treated and untreated surfaces during maintenance washes. With the Super 3 now complete, we could let Morgan evaluate the Diamond Protech coatings that we applied. These included diamond body and wheels, with all surfaces prepared using Diamond Body Prep.